Okay, and 45 minutes later it's ready. Hey guys, Brittany Walker here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making healthy banana bread with no sugar added. Don't forget, before we get started, to go down and subscribe so you can see more of my healthy related videos, as well as fitness and beauty videos. If you like this video, just hit that thumbs up button for me. And ready? Okay, and what we'll need today is a bread pan. It can be any bread pan. It doesn't have to be this kind. With parchment paper. Now the parchment paper just helps the banana bread not stick to the bread pan, but you're welcome to use Pam. Majol dates, which will help the banana bread be sweet, so you won't have to use sugar. Cup and 3/4 of gluten-free flour I'm using today, but you're welcome to use whole wheat flour or regular flour. Gluten-free flour is just a healthier option to me. Of mashed bananas, so you can have really ripe bananas. My bananas were really ripe, so they can be really sweet, and I just put 2 bananas in a bowl and mashed them up. A tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 of almond milk or regular milk. Eggs, I'm using brown eggs. Pecans, which is optional. Okay, I'm gonna just start mixing my wet ingredients together. So put the eggs with the mashed bananas. We just start mixing our dry ingredients together. So the gluten-free flour, let's mix the wet and the dry ingredients together and make our banana bread. For 50 minutes and just come back on and check on it in the meantime.
A few moments later.
45 minutes later, it's ready. I did take it out a little early because it was done a little early. I took a knife and poked a hole through it, and when there wasn't any dough on there, I knew it was done. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's more videos to come.